Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to create a schedule in Excel using an easy method. First, open a new Excel workbook to begin. Next, label your columns clearly for dates, specific tasks, and corresponding times. This initial setup is crucial for an organized schedule. Remember to format your cells for optimal readability, perhaps using different colors or bold text for headings. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and more efficient for tracking your activities. Now, let's populate your schedule with details. Begin by entering your dates sequentially in the first column, ensuring they are in chronological order. Then, input the specific times for each task in the designated time column. You can use custom formatting to display times in a clear, consistent manner, like HH, MM, M/PM. This step helps you visualize your daily or weekly commitments effectively. Consistency here is key for a functional and easier-to-follow schedule. With your dates and times set, it's time to add your tasks. List each task clearly in its designated cell, being concise yet descriptive. Consider applying conditional formatting to highlight task status, such as green for completed or red for urgent. This visual cue is incredibly helpful. Furthermore, use borders and shading to separate sections and improve the overall visual appeal of your schedule. A well-organized and visually pleasing schedule is much easier to stick to. To take your Excel schedule to the next level, consider using data validation to ensure consistent entries, preventing errors and maintaining uniformity. You can also create drop-down lists for frequently used tasks, saving you time and effort. These advanced features make your schedule more robust and user-friendly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. A well-structured schedule, combined with comfortable socks, can truly boost your productivity and comfort throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.